In this video, I want to talk about the account creation. Of course, I already have an account, but you maybe don't. But this is pretty simple. So I have actually several accounts for different topics and themes, but also a private account. And I'm currently only logged into my finance account, that is in German, and my private account. If you open the Instagram app for the first time, there's like a button that says log in or register. If you already have an account, you can just click on login and log in with your data. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register. And I can do the same. I can click on my profile picture down there, so on the top right down side, which is here. Just hold it for a longer time. And here I can switch between accounts where I logged in. So just switching. Or I can click on add account. And then it says log in to an existing one or create a new account. And here I say, okay, create a new account. And the first thing I need to do is to choose a username. And this is already pretty important, but of course you can change that later. So there will be one video about choosing the correct name, not only username, but also name. So you can change it easily later, so no worries here. But for now, I will use, for example, dog lover 25, whatever. And then it says, okay, this is available, or this is already picked by another user, like in this case. Okay, then 25 is not possible. Then I could do something like this or change the name completely. If I see that check next to the name, this green check, then I'm good and can click on next. If I just make it like that and there's an X, Instagram is giving me some opportunities I can take, so some names that are free, for example, doglover 24566. I can choose this and click on next. Here I can create a password. A password, of course, that I remember, so please write it down, and a password that is safe. So don't use your pet's name, your children's name. Use an automatic password generator online, for example, with at least 15 characters, I would suggest. So in my case, I just doing this. Okay. And remembering is okay, but you don't need it. That means that if you log in again in, let's say, on another day, or when deleting Instagram and then installing it again, then by just remembering it, Instagram then knows your password so that you don't have to remember it. I click on next and then it says complete sign up. Okay, but I can also add a new phone number or email address, which is important. I will do both. Because if you forget your, let's say, password or username, then you can reset both by using exactly that phone number or email address. So your password will be sent to your email address and you can change it with the link there. So please do something of it, phone number or email address, to make sure that you don't lose your account if you forget your password. By clicking on complete sign up, you are completely finished. And then you have an account which looks probably a bit like this, of course, without posts, without a profile picture, but we will care about this in the next videos.